from a beautiful clinic in Tijuana, Mexico. I'm here with
Jose Lugo.
Now, Jose, what part of the world did you come from?
I am originally from Venezuela, but I live in the Seattle area, state of Washington, USA.
So what brought you down to our Tijuana office?
Well, we had one of my business associates was going through, just about to go through surgery, and he heard about you and your staff and everything that you're doing here, and he decided taking a chance and came back next day telling me, you have to go see this guy.
So, Larry, we are, God bless you, man, talking about you.
He's really a good guy. Well, he's a wonderful man.
One of my best friends in the world is named Larry, too, so you got a good rep. So what kind of, I know you brought your sweetheart down, too.
Yes. So she actually was going to get some surgery, spine surgery, last month. So Larry kind of caught us in the right time, telling us, stop, don't do this. You got to go see this guy. It changed my life. I've been on a cane for a while almost, and I feel like running now. So it was kind of one of those, but I trust Larry. I trust him. I know him for many years. So I told my wife, we have to do this. We have to do this. You need it. I need it. So let's go take a chance.
Now, you've been here a couple of weeks. What results have you noticed? And I know your sweetheart, she canceled her surgery.
Thank God. Yes.
Oh, isn't that amazing? Well, first, what kind of results have you experienced?
Well, obviously, I saw some actual proven results today with one of your doctors show us some improvements before and after pictures, especially with the blood samples and so on. But clearly, sleeping, for instance, has changed for me. And as you said, the sleeping is a key for regeneration and that sort of thing. And it's working. That part is working. There's been some other things that, I have to admit, I haven't noticed certain things like, it still hurts here and there, but nothing with the occurrence that was happening to me when I was in Washington. It's definitely becoming less and less and less. Now I understand it's a process that takes a little more time than just 2 weeks.
Oh, yeah. Okay. The key is the initial studies that we do is stress and static x-rays, 3 nerve scans, live blood cell analysis, and thermography. At 30 adjustments, we redo the x-rays to document the changes, the nerve scans to see how the nervous system is functioning, and the blood analysis, which is, that I really get goosebumps still when I look at them.
Yeah, no, it was quite impressive to see that.
But you're doing things going totally against the advice of the godlike medical doctors.
Yes. Yes, and this is not my first time that I tried a holistic approach to solving because I take so many pills. I mean, I had heart attacks. I had so many different things, trauma through my use, hit myself. I liked abusing my body when I was young. So I've been dealing with a lot, paying the price of all those mistakes that I make. But, the more I go to see doctors in my area, the more frustrated that I am because everything is the solution is always a pill. So once in a while they tell you, do this exercise or that, but it doesn't really help that much. And I'm frustrated with the fact that all I get is just more pills. And I know, coming from a family with a medical background, that, your liver is going to get destroyed. Sooner or later, all these pills are going to ruin you. So I've been also thirsty for this, but more important, my wife, she sleeps 2 hours a night. This is chronic now. I mean, it's been going on for a while. It is starting to show. So this is helping her. Big time. This is helping. And the more also not only, but the people that are waiting to be treated, some of them come and tell us the stories. This is not the first time I've been here. Look, this is me. This is what was happening to me 6 months ago. Look at me now. It's
miracles.
I'm a person that I like proof. I like seeing, the real thing, and I'm seeing it. Through.
That's why we do the post X-rays inside. I like to see it too.
Yeah.
I mean, you're doing radical stuff. I mean, happy wife, happy life. And is that true or true? Now, what could you tell someone? Because you are right. There's no science to say multiple drugs is good for you.
Right.
Okay, that's insane. And to treat a symptom, which is really a fire alarm, to cover it up with the medication is incredibly foolish. But you broke from that pack.
It's very difficult. I mean, I'm a very I like to believe scientific kind of approach on everything. I'm very skeptic about anything. So when you go, like in my case, I take medications for cholesterol, I had a heart condition. When somebody comes and tells you you're going to eliminate all these pills and, take a leap of faith, it's hard. It's hard. And other people say, well, I don't want to go see a holistic doctor, which is another, kind of stigma around the world. No, I better deal with my pills. I don't want to talk to a shaman or something like that, So there is always that. It's hard. I've talked to people that I know. I talk to family. No way. I'm not gonna say I stick to my doctor. So it's hard, but you gotta understand it's your body. It's your health. And if you're not being cured by any approach you've taken so far, what do you have to lose? You have to take a leap of faith because you're not getting better. The pills are not gonna make you better. The pills are just gonna temporarily give you the idea that you're getting better, but it is not real. It is definitely not real.
I don't know. Talking about no one suffering from medication deficiency syndrome, you're radical. And think of this, the average person over 60 is taking 12 different prescriptions. When I go to my clinic in Bangkok, I say I'm from the sickest industrialized nation of the world. 5% of the world's population consuming 95% of the drugs. And we should have the healthiest population. We are the sickest industrialized nation. You cannot treat an alarm, which is a symptom, with a drug. And buddy, you got courage. And I know
it's
the respect and love that your sweetheart has for you to trust you to holler to a couple thousand miles away. That's beautiful. You guys are a really cool couple. What can you tell someone? I mean, you've already said it so eloquently.
I just think that if you have tried different things and you're not sure whether or not they're working, you gotta try this. It is a life-changing experience taken from somebody that needs so many ways of I need proof for everything, for anything that happens in my life. And this has been a tremendous, tremendous experience for me. I recommend it to anybody, especially you don't have to be really sick or really ill. I mean, just where you're starting to feel like I need a change. I wake up in the morning, I have this little pain in here, I don't have the energy that I usually have, my brain is not functioning well. All these little things are just signals that you should, it's telling you, do something now, but don't go for the doctor necessarily. Go see your doctor, sure, get an opinion, but do not discard it because this is a life changer. Absolutely is. You must try this. You must take this approach.
God bless you, man. Take the courage. Your body is made in the image and likeness of God. It is intelligent. It does give symptoms for a reason. God bless you, brother. You're a true leader. Take care of yourself. You're made in the image and likeness of God. God bless you all.